9. So, please open your student's book on page 83. Okay, done? Right, now take a look to part 1. There is a dialogue and you have to complete the dialogue with the words from the box. Okay, I'll give you time and you can pause the video first. Already? Okay, if you're done, now let's check your answer and listen to the audio.
Unit 9, page 83. Language Skills. Exercise 1. Listen and check.
Shall we go out for dinner tonight?
Sorry, but I can't afford it.
If you hadn't bought that new computer, you wouldn't have spent all your money.
I know, but I wouldn't have bought it if my old one had been working properly.
Why didn't you have the old one repaired? It wouldn't have been very expensive.
Well, it's a bit late now. I've already had the new one delivered, so it looks like we'll have to cook dinner ourselves tonight.
Well, I don't know what we're going to eat. If I'd known we were eating in, I'd have done some shopping.
Well, don't worry. I've bought some food myself. Go and lay the table, and I'll put a pizza in the oven.
Okay, so how's your answer? Good? Well done! Now let's continue with part 2. So in part 2, I want you to read the dialogue again and then please complete the sentences using the third conditional. And I'd like to remind you the pattern of third conditional. Let's take a look to the whiteboard. Here, when you want to make third conditional, you have to start with if, followed by past perfect tense, comma. This is the first clause, and the second clause, the pattern is using would have plus past participle or verb 3. Here is the example. If you told me the truth, I wouldn't have got angry. So, if, you put if, followed by past perfect tense, you had plus verb 3, and followed by would have plus verb 3. I wouldn't have got angry. Got is the verb 3 from get, right? Now, what if you want to switch? Can we switch it? Yes, you can. So you can also say, I wouldn't have got angry if you'd told me the truth. So the meaning is still the same. It's fine if you want to put the if clause at the back and the would have clause at the beginning. That's fine. Okay, so that's how to do part 2. Now, how to do part 3? Take a look to the example here that I've written. You have to use reflexive pronoun followed by have something done pattern. So, for example, did Alex mend his laptop blank? Okay. Here you have to answer the blank part using the reflexive pronoun. So, look at the subject. The subject is Alex. Alex is he, right? So, the reflexive pronoun for he is himself. Okay, Alex himself. What about Clara? Clara is a girl. So, instead of saying himself, you can say herself. If I, you can say myself. If they, you can say themselves. What if you and I? So you can say we, right? So we use ourselves. How about for animal? Cat, you can say itself. Okay, so that is about the reflexive pronoun. So it reflects the subject who did the action. Now the answer, for the answer you have to use have something done pattern. So here the question, did Alex mend his laptop himself? No. put the subject for Alex, it's he, and then followed by have something done. But remember, because this is past simple pattern, so instead of using have, you have to use the past form of have. What is it? Yes, it's had. No, he had something. What's the thing in this sentence? His laptop. Okay, we can change his laptop using it. No, he had it. And then the last one is the verb. The verb is mend. But don't forget, use verb 3. He had it mended. Okay then. So don't forget, for the have, you can change it using the past form. Depends on the question. And for the thing or for the something, you can change it also depends on the thing. If the number are many, this is only one thing, right? So use it. But if more than one, you can use them. And for the verb, you can use verb 3 of this verb from the sentence. Okay then, so that's for part 3. Now, for the next part, it's dictionary corner. So for the dictionary corner, I want you to prepare your dictionary and then let's take a look together. Okay, so this is the example of the dictionary that you can use. It's good if you have Oxford Dictionary, but if you don't have this one, you can use the other dictionary as long as it is English to English dictionary, okay? Now let's open the dictionary. So for the dictionary here, the first word is change. So find the word change and then you have to put the preposition, right? So find out preposition for change. In this case, the preposition for change is using for. That's why you can say for a change or for fun in the example number 1. Okay. Now I'll give you the other example of the word mistake. Find the word mistake and take a look. This one, by mistake, right? So you can fill in the blanks using by. So by is the preposition for the word mistake. And the next part is actually idioms for finance. Now, I will give example using the word cost. So, please find in the dictionary the word cost. And then take a look to the IDM. IDM means idiom. And then you will find cost a fortune. That's why for number 2, you can answer cost a fortune. Okay, so students, that's it for the lesson today. I want you to do the exercise from student's book, page 83, and then the workbook, page 74. Okay, thank you for watching this video.